Welcome back to my online class. Dear students, I am Sangmesh Gadag, lecturer, Department of English. In the previous class, we came to know that Don Gonzalo and Donna Laura started to speak of to one another. And in the last section, Don Gonzalo said to Donna Laura that please excuse me, please pardon me, senora, but never interface with what does not concern to you. And then she replied that she in the sense, Donna Laura replied that I generally say what I think. She said to him that that's generally what I think, that's going to be in my words. Don Gonzalo and more to the same effect, give me the book, Conito. So he doesn't want to speak with her. He asked his servant to provide the book. Conito, here senora. Senor means sir. Here sir, Conito takes a book from his pocket, hands it to Don Gonzalo, then exit by right. He gave the book. Conito gave the book to Don Gonzalo and exit by his right. Don Gonzalo, casting indignant glances at Donna Laura, puts on an enormous pair of glasses, takes from his pocket a reading glass, adjusts both to suit him, and opens his book. Dear students, look at here. He already wear a glasses and also he took a reading glass and he started to read the book by adjusting both the glasses as specs as well as reading glasses. Donna Laura, I thought you were talking out a telescope. Look at here. How she going to taunt him. Donna Laura saying that I thought you were talking out a telescope. You are looking like you are watching into the telescope. She was saying like this. Don Gonzalo, was that you? Do you say to me? Is it to me? Donna Laura, your sight must be knee. Knee in the sense it is very low. Your sight must be very low. You couldn't see further things. Don Gonzalo, near than your is. Don Gonzalo saying to Donna Laura that near than yours is. It my sight is perfect, but your sight may be the knee, otherwise low. My sight is perfect according to Donna Laura. Donna Laura, yes, eventually. Don Gonzalo asked the hares and pattigers. Look at here. Don Gonzalo asked the hares and pattigers. Donna Laura, yes, eventually. Maybe your eyesight may be very low, but his eyesight is according to Donna Laura, his eyesight is low. According to Don Gonzalo, Donna's eyesight is very low. But both became 70 years old persons. Don Gonzalo asked the hares and pattigers. You can ask to the rabbits because he hunts to the every Sunday. So he said that ask the hares and pattigers. Pattigers are one kind of animals. Donna Laura, do you hunt? She surprised by his answer. So she said that, do you hunt? At this time you are going to hunt? Is it possible for this age to you? She surprised by his those words. He said that ask the hares and pattigers. Don Gonzalo, I did and even now. And I have been doing it. Don Gonzalo said that, yes, my dear friend, I have been doing this kind of work since my childhood. Donna Laura, oh yes, of course. Is it? It is very surprised. So she said that, oh, of course. Don Gonzalo, yes, senora. Yes, madam. Every Sunday I take my gun and dog. Look at here. Every Sunday he takes his gun and dog, and you understand, and go to one of my estate near Arvanka and kill time. To spend the time, kill time means to spend the time, he started to bait. He started to hunt by taking his gun and dog. Said by Don Gonzalo. Don Alora, yes, kill time. That is all you kill. You just went over to kill the time, not to kill the, otherwise, not to hunt the animals. Don Gonzalo, do you think so? Is it so? I could show you a wild boar's head in my study. In my hall, you can watch wild boars. Wild boars means a wild pig. The pig's head in my studies, in my hall. You can see a big boar's head in my study room. Donna Laura, yes. And I could show you a tiger's skin in my boudoir. Which does that prove? Boudoir means in home. Donna Loras again replied to his questions that she also had a tiger's skin in her boudoir, in her home. What does the prove? It's not prove whether you killed or not. Just for the fashion, you can put over it. According to Donna Laura. Don Gonzalo. Don Gonzalo, very well, senora. Please allow me to read enough conversations. I couldn't speak with you because you are going to one of the critical level of arguing with me, so I don't need this kind of argument, and this is called foolish argument. So I just want to read it. Please leave me alone to read. Donna Laura, well, you subside then. Okay, you can take your place and start to read. I never going to disturb you. It is said by Donna Laura. Don Gonzalo, but first I shall take a pinch of snuff. Takes out snuff box. Will you have some? Look at here. Don Gonzalo, before going to read that book, he must have a pinch of snuff into his nose. Snuff means ನಶೆ ಡಬ್ಬಿ, ಒಂಥರ ಇರುವಂತಹ ನಶೆ. ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂತಂದರೆ ನಾಶಿ ಪುಡಿ ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅದನ್ನು. ಬಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಶಾಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಪಿಂಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ನಫ್. ಟೇಕ್ ಔಟ್ ಸ್ನಫ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಮ್? ಸೊ he again asked to Donna Laura, do you want it? You can take a pinch of snuff. Offers box to Donna Laura. Donna Laura, if it is good, is it good? Asked to Don Gonzalo by Donna Laura. Don Gonzalo, it is of the finest. It is one of the finest snuff in the world. According to Don Gonzalo, you will like it. Definitely you are going to like it. Donna Laura, taking a pinch of snuff, it clears my head. Donna Laura said that, yes, just give me a pinch of snuff which can clears my head. Don Gonzalo, and mine. Oh, and it also clears my head also. Donna Laura asks to Don Gonzalo that, do you sneeze? Sneeze means ಸೀನೋದು. ನೀನು ಸೀನ್ತೀಯಾ? ಈ ಸ್ನಫ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಂಡ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೀನು ಸೀನ್ತೀಯಾ? Don Gonzalo, yes, senora, 3 times. Yes, I can sneeze 3 times at taking a pinch of snuff. Donna Laura, and so do I. Yes. So What a coincidence. No, look at here, dear students. They started to be the friendly conversations by giving a pinch of snuff that she also sneeze 3 times and he also sneeze 3 times. After taking the snuff, they avoid the sneeze by taking the pinch of snuff into their nose and they started to wait for the sneeze. Both anxiously and sneezes alternatively 3 times each. They started to sneeze 3 times each. Don Gonzalo, there I feel better. Now I can feel better. It is said by Don Gonzalo to Donna Laura. Donna Laura, so do I. Yes, according to me, I also feel better now. Aside in the sense, Baju, or in a small words in a small tone. You can say it in a small tone. It is mind replication. The snuff has made peace between us. She concluded that a pinch of snuff has made peace between them. Because in the previous class, we came to know that they started to quarrel with each other, but now they became friends and they started a friendly conversation. Don Gonzalo, you will excuse me if I read aloud. Don Gonzalo asking permission to read the book loudly to Donna Laura. Donna Laura, read as loud as you please. You will not disturb me. Okay, you can read loudly because that is a public place. You can read it loudly. As much as you got the strength, you can read it loudly, and then it will not be disturbed for me. I also enjoy your reading. It is said by Donna Laura. Don Gonzalo, reading all love is sad. He started to read the loudly by these lines. All love is sad, but sad as it is. It is the best thing that we know. That is from Campamar. Dear students, I already said about the what do you mean by Campamar? Campamar and Ascenda, Zorilla, and Baker, these are the famous Spanish writers of 19th century. In the new words, I pretended to you. Now look at here, dear students. Best things that we know, that is from Campamar. These lines are written in the book of Campamar. Donna Laura, oh, wow. Don Gonzalo reading, the daughters of the mothers I once loved kiss me now as they would a graven image. Those lines, I take it, are in humorous vein. He said that these lines have taken it in a humorous vein. It is the lines given in the book of Campamar. Donna Laura laughing. She started to laugh at his words. I taken them so too, and even I taken them so closely. Don Gonzalo, there are some beautiful poems. You don't know, Donna Laura, there are so many beautiful poems in this book. Here, 20 years pass, he returns. He had written it 24 years to collect these kind of poems. Here, Don Gonzalo said that there are some beautiful poems in this book. Here, 20 years pass, he returns. He had returned to write these kind of poems for 20 years. Donna Laura, you cannot imagine how it affects me to see you reading with all these glasses. because he already wore a spect and he took a reading glass, which we can say it in Kannada binocular, otherwise ಭೂತ ಕನ್ನಡಿ. ಅವನು ಚಸ್ಮಾನು ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ, ಕನ್ನಡಕವನ್ನು ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ, ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಭೂತ ಕನ್ನಡಿಯನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿದು ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಅವನ ಕಣ್ಣು ಹಾಳಾಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. Donna Laura, you cannot imagine how it affects me to see you reading with these glasses. You can, Don Gonzalo, can you read without any? So Don Gonzalo asked to her, you also became 70 years old woman, then can you ready to read these books without any glasses? Donna Laura, certainly. Yes, I am ready to read this book without any kind of glasses. I cannot wear a spect like you. Don Gonzalo, at your age you are jesting. Jesting means joking. For your age it is not going to have. It is not possible, but it is possible to Donna Laura. Look at here. Donna Laura, pass me the book. Give me the book. Then takes a book from his hand. Takes that book from his hand and started to read it loudly. Reads aloud. 20 years pass. He returns, and each beholding the other exclaims, can it be that this is he? Heavens, is it she? Look at here. Without the glasses, she started to read the book. Until this much we have to know from this class. We have to know it in Kannada version. Dear students, I can explain you in Kannada with the concise method. What happened in the previous class? I told you they started to quarrel each other. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಜಗಳಾಟದಿಂದ ತಮ್ಮ ಸಂಭಾಷಣೆಯನ್ನು ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರು ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ನೇಹ ಸಂಬಂಧಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇಬ್ಬರೂ ಅವರು ಏನಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಗಲಿದ ಪ್ರೇಮಿಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದರು. ಈಗ 70 ವರ್ಷಗಳಾಗೈತೆ ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ. ಒಬ್ಬರನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಮುಖವನ್ನು ನೋಡೋದೇ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು 40 ವರ್ಷ ಮೇಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಮುಖಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ನೆನಪು ಹಾರಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅವರು ಈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಜೇಷನನ್ನು ಕಾಮಿಡಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಅವಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ, ನೀನು ಕರ್ಚೀಪನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಹಾಂ, ನಾನು ಕರ್ಚೀಪನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ನೀನು ಬೂಟನ್ನು ಒರೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕರ್ಚೀಪನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ತಾನವನು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನೀನು ಮುಖವನ್ನು ಒರೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೂಟಿನ ಬ್ರಷನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ತೀಯಾ ಅಂತಂದು ಕೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಹೀಗೆ ಅವಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪದಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಳು ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಮಿಡಿಯನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾಳೆ, ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅದಲ್ಲದೆ ಇಂದಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋದಾದರೆ ಪ್ರಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಒಂದು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಅವನು ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ವಿಶನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಂದು ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವಳು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ನೀ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಕುಂತಿದ್ಯಾ, ನೀನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡಬಾರ್ದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ನೋ ರೀತಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇದು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳಿ ಅವನು ಆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನನ್ನು ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲೇ ಕುನಿತೋ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಪುಸ್ತಕವನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಅವನು ಓದಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಆದರೆ ಅವನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಪ್ರಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಅವನು ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡಕವನ್ನು ಹಾಕೋತಾನೆ, ಅದರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭೂತ ಕನ್ನಡಿಯನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿತಾನೆ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಅವನ ಕಣ್ಣು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವನ ಐಸೈಟು ಅಷ್ಟು ಕೆಳಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಡೋನಾ ಲೋರಾ ಅವನನ್ನು ಹಾಸ್ಯಾಸ್ಪದವಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಅವನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ನೀ ಏನು ಟೆಲಿಸ್ಕೋಪನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಣ್ಣನ್ನು ದಿಟ್ಟಿಸಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ನಿಂಗೆ ಕಾಣವಲ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನೋ ರೀತಿ ಅವನನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೀಯಾಳಿಸ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಿನ್ನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ ಈ ಪುಸ್ತಕವನ್ನು ತಗೋ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಅಂತಾನೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಪೂರ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರು ತಮ್ಮ ಸಂಭಾಷಣೆಯನ್ನು ಅ ಪಿಂಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ನಫ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಶೆ ಡಬ್ಬಿ, ಒಂದು ಚಿಟಿಕೆ ನಶೆಯನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವಾಗ ನಶೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಗತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು 3 ಸಲ ಸೀನ್ತಾರಂತೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಸೀನಿದ್ರೆ ಇವೊಂದು ಸಲ ಸೀನ್ತಾನೆ, ಇವೊಂದು ಸಲ ಸೀನಿದ್ರೆ ಆಕಿ ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಸೀನ್ತಾಳೆ. ಹೀಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸೀನ್ಕೋತಾನೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲೇಕೇನಾಗಿತ್ತಿದು ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಾರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ವಾರಲ್ ಬಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಅ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್. Dear students, until now we started to know about the Don Alora and Don Gonzalo. So this much you have to write a summary in your notebook. If you have any doubts regarding about this prose, you can ask me. I hope you are all doing well, and goodbye until my next class. Thank you for watching my video.